How to say you in Thai. Kun. Really easy word. Thai script on top, romanization in the middle, and English on the bottom. Kun is a short word, and as you can see, it has no tone marker, so it's said in your normal voice. Kun. It means you, it means Mr., it means Mrs., it means Miss, it means Ms.
คุณคุณ
คุณคุณ
คุณ คุณ
So now that we've heard it, let's hear it said in a sentence, shall we?
คุณ ไป อยู่ ที่ ไหน มา คุณ ไป อยู่ ที่ ไหน มา คุณไปอยู่ที่ไหนมา
Kun, it means you. As always, this is part of a bigger lesson that I have over on my website. You're welcome to go there and see if you can find it. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it revolves back into the paid section of the website, but lots of free video lessons there for your benefit at talkthai.com. If you happen to be watching on YouTube, please like, please subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and maybe even leave a comment.